Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello, my friends, hello, my friends, hello. Hi, everybody. Oh, I miss you guys so much. I hope you miss me too. I bet you miss your friends and your school and all the things you normally do in a day. So I thought this might be fun for you to catch up with me and do something different in your day that brings you back to where you were, which was preschool. So we're going to do the calendar a little bit different because you might not be on the same day as me when you're watching this video, and you might want to go back and watch it again. So you might need to ask your parents for a little bit of help when you're trying to figure out what day it is. But why don't we start by doing the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now you could ask your parent or whoever you're with right now what day of the week it is. All right, now you know. So let's look back up at the month. Can you tell me what month we're in? It starts with a sound. It was the month we were in when we just left for school. March. Yep, it's still March right now. So we're going to count all the numbers in March and find out what other things might have happened in March while we were away. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. March has a lot of days in it. 31. March 31st is on a Tuesday, very last day of March. Do we know what comes after March? I think if you think hard, you could remember. Maybe we need to sing our song to help us remember. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Okay, now, do you remember what came after March? January, February, March, and that's right, April. So April will be our next month. So when I do the next calendar, we'll start talking about April. Now, while we were away last week, this is a special day. It was the first day of spring. Can you tell me what those numbers are? A 1 and a 9. That's right, and that was on a Thursday. Thursday, the 19th, was the first day of spring. I know it didn't really feel like the first day of spring because we got lots of snow in the past few weeks. So March, we got more snow than we did in February, which is kind of strange being spring, but that's the way it works around here. So that was our first day of spring. Everything else, pretty much the same in March. We'll have some fun things to talk about in April though. So now that we're done with the calendar, let's move on to our letter. Can anybody tell me what letter this is? Let's see. What was the letter before this one? Q-R-S-T U. That's right, letter U. U. U for umbrella. That's right, and it also makes a U sound. So it's either or U. Let's see what our can of soup tells us, or what other things start with the letter U. So we already did this one, umbrella. Now this one's a really tricky one. Does anybody know what that is? It only has one wheel on it. It's called a unicycle. So that uses the U sound, unicycle. Now this one's a little tricky too, just from what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like a soldier, but you can also see these on nurses and doctors and firemen and policemen. They have to wear these every day when they go to work. They have to put on the same type of clothing. What's that called? A uniform. That's right. See if you can think of other people in our environment that have to wear a uniform. Use or hard. This is another tricky one. These are things you use in the kitchen. I see a whisk and some big spoons and a spatula. We also, when we're sitting at the table and just having dinner, we use these things, forks and knives. What do you think those are called? Utensils. So it's another U sound. Now there's something missing from this can that I think is like your guys' favorite U word. Well, a lot of you anyway, especially my girls. Unicorn. Unicorn starts with a U. That's a really fun U one. We don't have anybody in our class that starts with U, so we don't really have very many U names that start with U. But we can say under the table starts with U. Under. So that's a sound. See if you can think of some other things that start with U. Take a look around your house and see if there's other things. U isn't a word we use very often. Let's go on to our number. What number is this one? Don't be tricked. If you turn it over, it can look like this, which is a number 9. But today, we're not talking about number 9. We're talking about another number. Do you know what it is? It's a 6. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Awesome. What's our shape today? Easy peasy for you guys. I know you know it. That's right. It's a rectangle. And how many sides are on a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what color is this rectangle? Yeah, you guys know. It's green. And our color today, pink. That's right. Just like a unicorn has lots of pink on it. Pink. So I'm also going to show you the letter sheet that we would have done this week as well. And it is, yes, the letter U. Picture on it is an umbrella. So I'm going to attach it to the email that I sent your parents on this first one. And I'll do this to all of them so that you guys can still, maybe mom can or dad can print it off for you and you can still do your letter U and practice your letter U's so you can finish all the way. We still have U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We still have 6 more letters to complete before we're done the alphabet. So it would be great if you could work on those at home. Practicing holding your pencil, use your pincer grasp, follow the shape around. These ones are really easy. Start at the top and go around. And the big U, the uppercase U, and the lowercase u, the baby u, they're the same, just smaller, so it'll be easy. And then I want you to write your name on the top. If you already know how, write it on the top. If you need help, maybe your parents could dot it for you, just like these dots, dot it, and you guys can trace it. You guys are all getting really good at doing your names, so I'm sure that's something you can do. And then do your very best coloring. Umbrellas are so fun to color, so I bet you could do your very best coloring on that too. All right, it was great doing circle time with you. I'm gonna make more of these, so look forward to watching more. I'll get them posted as soon as I can. But watch for some other things that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna put on some stories and some songs that you can just click on and do separately from this one, so you don't always have to be doing the work. You can do some fun stuff too. Bye guys, why don't we sing our goodbye song together? Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you all next time. Love you guys, miss you. Listen to your parents. Do a really good job at home. Play nicely with your siblings, and we'll talk soon, okay?